aprons have been a staple of carpentry for centuries, probably. The ones you buy now, like at the home center, are made from this really cheap, I don't even know if it's canvas, cotton canvas, but they'll rip as soon as you look at them. They don't last very long. The ties are flimsy and all that. So obviously we did not want to replicate anything about that. When we started out, this was the prototype that Tom Bonamici made for us. It's also sort of lightweight fabric. The ties are heavier and there are grommets and all that. But we wanted to get a feel for how the pockets worked. We had a little pencil hole right here in the center, and you can see where I kind of stapled it to make a stop, but I found that this was really a bad idea because when I was sitting down and working at the Roman workbench, I was getting a pencil sticking right where I didn't want a pencil sticking. However, I used this for about 6 months, as you can see, and it held up really well, but we wanted to change a lot of things with ours, and so this is what we have. 10-ounce canvas. The pockets have been reinforced with another layer of canvas behind here so the pockets won't blow out. Heavy-duty grommets, heavy-duty ties, and these even have a little elasticity to them, which allows them to hug your hips really nicely. And then I'm going to put it on here. I have it attached with an apron hook. So this can be a simple S hook that you get from the home center, but I've tied it onto this tie, and then I've just made a simple loop here. So I'm going to put this on. What I like about using the apron hook is that it always goes to the exact same setting. So it's always riding right on my hips where I want it to sit. So if you'll come in here and look closely at my area here. If we look in here, the pockets are pretty spacious. They're about 8 inches wide, 6 inches deep. It holds this is what, a 16-foot tape very easily. We have 2 pockets here that hold a 6-inch rule, a couple pencils, and then another identical pocket over here, which has my 6-inch rules and a 6-inch combination square. I can probably put a few other things in here, including a block plane, but if you've never used a waist apron on a carpentry site or in a woodworking shop, it's definitely something to try, even if it's not ours, because you don't get all the sweatiness, especially from the leather ones. You don't even really get sweaty down here. So that is our workshop waist apron.